You guys, I cannot wait to share this new dress with you. I have wanted a denim shirt dress for the longest time, and this one does not disappoint. I used a fan favorite, tried and true by many, Butterick 6333. The website describes it as follows. Shirt dress has pointed collar and front bands, fitted bodice, princess seams, button-down closure skirt variations with front pleats and side pockets. View A is sleeveless and has bias armhole facings. View B has 3/4 length sleeves with cuffs. And views A and B have a full gathered skirt, back pleats, and double layered sash. View C has a narrow hem on cap sleeves. Whew, I made view B as is without any changes, kind of rare for me. If you have ever made a collar with a collar stand before, you know this can be quite tricky. I took extreme care when constructing mine, paying a great deal of attention to which parts got interfaced and the correct order of construction of those parts, as well as getting a seamless transition between the front band and the edge of the collar stand. It's really a matter of reading the instructions one sentence at a time, lots of clipping and seam trimming, pressing, and just taking your time. But it is so worth it. I decided on snaps for the closures using a kit I got forever ago from Closet Core. I made an Instagram reel to demonstrate how to do it, which you can get a link to in the description box. A lot of people commented on that reel that they had fails with their last attempt of snaps, and my best advice is to just get quality snaps and tools. You really can't skimp there. It will make a world of difference in terms of installing them on the first try, and also for them to not pop off later. Because this was a pretty hardy denim on the low end of mid-weight, I would say, I decided to do flat felled seams throughout. This means the inside of my dress is completely finished with no surged seam allowances except for the arm side because I chickened out and I didn't want to ruin the dress at that point. This also means there is top stitching visible from the right side. Basically, this dress is going to last for a lifetime or as long as the fabric holds up. Speaking of the fabric, I used a 4-ounce denim I got from Joann. It comes in 3 washes, and I'm pretty sure I have the one called dark, but I could also have the one called indigo. I'm not really sure, I don't remember. It's 100% cotton and considered a bottom weight, but like I said before, it's definitely on the lighter side of a bottom weight. I enjoyed working with it and really had no issues with it at all. I cannot wait to see what ends up happening to this fabric the more I wash it and wear it. It will likely lighten up a bit in terms of structure, and the color might change in some areas too. This pattern comes with really nice deep pockets, and in the denim, they could hold just about anything without pulling the dress too much. The length is classic, hitting my knee without any lengthening or shortening adjustments at all. I am 5'5" for reference. I will say the waist is a little big for my liking. I mean, I have lost a little bit of weight since I cut this out. I cut it out in maybe October or November, so that could be it too. But I will probably make a belt from the scraps I have left and just kind of help cinch that in some. If I do make this dress again, I will need to take out about 2 inches for the waist to fit like I like. I can probably just size down at the waist and hip since the skirt is so roomy, which I think would put me in a straight size bust waist hip, which I don't think that's ever happened. But speaking of the skirt, it has these really great pleats all the way around, and in my denim, the pleats are pretty structured, which is great, but along the curvature of my back, it's a little, dare I say, duck-ish. It's not a deal breaker, but you know, just a little something that I wanted to mention. I think if I made it in a heavier fabric again, I would hack the skirt back to have no pleats and just a couple of darts. It's an easy enough adjustment. So there you have it. That's the good, bad, and ugly of my B6333. Well, there's nothing ugly about it, but you know what I mean. All the details. Let me know what you think of my new dress. This will be included in the short list of shirt dresses to choose from for the next sew along. So if you want to vote, be sure you join my Patreon, as the Hemsiders are the only ones who vote on the sew alongs. But that is going to do it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all very soon. Bye.